I got tons of scraps.
Good choice.
Why is the steam going out?
So you get those little scraps going first, and then
That's how I did it.
Okay.
What's the steam? Ew. That's fine, Daddy. Smoke! Smoke!
You're not gonna smother it?
Well, you want the smolder.
Okay. That's not what I would have done at all. I'm glad you showed me that.
Plenty of sawdust and pine needles in this neighborhood.
Alright. Come around, Daddy's gonna take the box off. You guys need to be calm and quiet, okay?
Careful, you'll see they're all.
Rowdy.
That's away from the hive. That's away from the hive where they were.
That's why.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. They ate it all almost.
They ate half
That was
of it.
full when we put it in.
They ate half of it. Oh, that's great queen. I want to see.
Look. Don't look out in front of the hive, buddy.
Come on.
Let's go back,
Because
babe.
that's where the bees fly in at, and that's where they're getting you.
They
All
need
right,
some space.
back up. Yeah, you don't want to get in front of their way.
Oh.
We're gonna see if Queen Shizo is out of her cage yet.
Queen Shiza?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is she
Look at all those under there.
Is she
I don't know. Back up more.
out of her cage?
Let's wait until Daddy pulls it out, okay?
Yeah, they're used to this.
Yeah, mommy, a big.
Mm-hmm.
They're hanging on it. Looks nose in front of the hive.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm not where the big in.
So yeah, get the
Where's Queen Shiza?
Daddy's getting her.
I want to see. I want to see what Queen Shiza went.
well, we're trying to get to the this one.
I need to spot that.
Is she out of there yet?
I think the marshmallow is gone. Yeah, she's not in there anymore.
All
There's a
right.
bunch of bees.
Can
I don't know where she is. She's somewhere in there.
I want to see Dada. Can I see? I want to see
Can you show them the queen cage?
Let's see the queen cage. It's empty. There's no the queen's not in there anymore.
Oh, and all the bees are going in. I want to see again.
Hang
I
on.
want to see the honeycomb. I like honeycomb.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Hi, bees. Hey.
Is that the queen? In there. See the big one right there in the middle?
Can't tell.
You can't tell either. I got a bee on my hand right now.
Did you pull out any of the rest of these?
Not yet.
Boys, you being calm over there? Thank you. Just looking with your eyes right now?
I got some cum on this one too.
Look at that.
Look at them hanging off each other.
Look at them. Do you guys see them hanging off of each other?
I want to see.
What do they call that?
They're like
Look at this,
festooning.
Mom.
Festooning?
I can see some honeycomb.
Did you see that, Luke? Or Noah? Look at how they're...
I
See
saw
how they're hanging
honeycomb.
on to each other right there?
I saw some honeycomb.
Did you see some honeycomb on there too, Luke?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
You know what? Can we go inside and eat dinner?
Pretty soon. I like how gentle you're being, Noah.
Okay, I did what I wanted.
Okay.
Let me check one more. I want to see this one here.
Maybe was not with their friends, so I pushed them over like.
Very gently, right?
Yeah, they got a bunch more on this one too. I have no clue where the queen is, but I just wanted to see if she was out of the cage. And
Well, she's not in there anymore, so that's
She's
what
somewhere in
matters.
here.
She's somewhere in there.
Okay, one bee wants to come in.
it's a little nerve-wracking when you got this many bees in bare hands.
Ooh, God, Dino. Mommy, I saw a bee that had a sting, and he sting me on the glove. This did not hurt.
Oh, that's good. That's why you wear gloves.
That's why we-
Let's just look with our eyes, though, not with our hands, okay, fellas?
Hey, there's a frame in there.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to
Calm and quiet, please.
I'm stay still all the time. I'm stay still too. But there's bee that wants to come on me. He wants to get up. Trying to get one. I'm trying to get one. Some of their friends.
Okay, say bye, bees.
Not yet. I gotta get this tightened up.
Oh,
I need you here.
soccer day.
I'm trying to get these closer together without squishing them all. They're all so balled up.
I should bite a daddy. Please. Yay. One bee did not want to come on me.
Luke, quiet, please.
Stop doing that, Troy. Okay. Look out, boys. Look out.
Can we go back? Queen Shiza. Go back now. Queen Shiza is gone.
That's right. They've accepted her as their queen.
I like Queen Shiza.
I like Queen Shiza too.
Baby.
Okay.
I like all of the people in the world.
All the people in the world?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You're such a sweet boy.
Can we go inside now?
Sure.
Okay, then I'm going.
All right. Do we need to fill that back up?
I am going to fill it back up, but I want to get the bees off of there.
We need to get a brush.
Huh?
We need to get a brush. Okay, honey.
Mommy, you know, I really like the bees and I was trying to get one.
I'll help you in just a minute, okay?
I'm getting angry.
Why are you getting angry, Dada?
The bees are not dead.
Why are the bees getting